all my money on the weed and pills, trying to write a song that'll pay the bills, but it ain't came yet. Guess I have to rob a bank. I guess it could be worse, ain't that bad. At least I ain't sitting no Baghdad in the middle of the hot day of death, sitting in a tank. Well, time my wife talks, so baby gets mentioned. I'm so broke, I can't pay attention. And Lord, how it tears me up to have to see her crying. Oh, I've been spending all my nights on the internet, looking for a clue, but ain't found one yet. Just a bunch of mopars, guitars, and other shit I can't find.
Is that what that's supposed to look like, a salmon?
Well, now, Lord, you can hear me, won't you throw a damn dog a bone? If a devil shows up with a deader deal, his whole soul's going down. Oh, I sing 'em real pretty, sing 'em real sad, and all the people in the crowd say, ain't happy. Well, now call me King Turd up here on Shit Mountain. If you want it, you can have the crown. Well, I've been sitting on my ass like a bump on a log, watching Andy and old Boss Hog. I guess I ought to get up and go out and find a job. Instead of sitting on the couch trying to find the next line, I'm sure there's gotta be a better use of my time, like figuring out which one of them banks I'm gonna go rob. Well, the name of the game is hurry up and wait low, but that ain't putting no food on my plate or gas in my car. I drive a Bronco. Oh, now, Lord, if I could just give me a record deal, I might not have to worry about my next meal, but I'd still be trying to figure out what the fuck rhymes with Bronco.